Just because it looks hard does not mean it's impossible. Hi there, I'm Elena Charity of Sitn'Crochet, and I'm a crochet teacher and designer. So Sitn'Crochet started a few years back on YouTube, which has now progressed to teaching how to crochet for the absolute beginner and, of course, writing crochet patterns. As to date, I have published one book, which is a compilation of all my crochet cardigans, and following up is another book, which will be a compilation of all my crochet sweaters, and all of these are absolute beginner friendly. Today, we're learning a few crochet tips and tricks that should help ease up your crochet journey, and this will range from how to make a very long crochet chain to how to master the magic ring. This class is for anybody with an interest in crocheting, whether you're new to crocheting or you're coming back to crocheting after taking a very, very long break. So I hope that by the end of this class, crocheting will not be as challenging as you thought it was at the beginning. So let's get started. I'm back, so I just want to add before I go that you can take the course for free on Skillshare. So what you have to do is down in the description, I'll leave a link to Skillshare, or if you want to buy the course and have it as yours full time, then you can go to Udemy. So you purchase it on Udemy. However, if you go on Skillshare, you get 1 month for free. So you can try out the course, see how you like it, and then you can subscribe for a year if you want. And you can watch all the courses, not just mine, other people's courses on Skillshare for an entire year. So you've got the two options, either Udemy, where you buy it once and for all, or Skillshare, which is more like a monthly subscription or a yearly subscription, to be fair. To me, I find it to be very affordable, but the choice is yours.